It's day 6 of our adventure. Today we are going to be making something golden, something very golden. Nothing says golden more than, well, besides the Golden Knights, sausage rolls. So you are going to need some puff pastry sheets and some eggnog. Not for the recipe itself, but it takes a while for it to defrost, and so while it's defrosting, why not have an eggnog? Pull out that Christmas playlist music, put that on in the background. Cheers. All right, you're going to need some sausage meat. I've just brought it out of the freezer and it's defrosting. I'm going to add some smoked paprika for that nice smokiness. I have my minced onion flakes. Right now they are just kind of rehydrating in some olive oil right now on my show puck with the paprika. And of course, nothing says Canadian more than Montreal steak seasoning. We're just going to keep it going today, just like ice hockey games. In goes the sausage meat. I have slightly more than 1 pound here. So good, it adds an extra level of baconness. Now, if you have bacon, that would be really good. Or bacon bits, it's a sausage roll. You could go traditional. May or may not want to consider that as an option, but you don't know what you're missing. Chuck this in here until it changes color a little. Oh yes, that's good. In goes the minced onion. Might as well take the lid off and get right in there. Oh, this is so good. And other secret seasonings that make, I'm just putting a whole tablespoon in there. You can season it with whatever you like, really. The bottom line is whatever makes you happy. Speaking of happy memories, I'd like to share with you, this is from Canada. This is another musical item. It's the Songs of the Season. It's got nice musical selections from Elton John and Ringo Starr, just to name 2. And you cannot rush the pastry if it is not defrosted. Just let it relax. Speaking of relaxing, okay, I'll see you in a minute. Just looking at my apron. Here's this. See that? T-O-Q-U-E. You know how to say that? That is a toque. It's a toque. Not a beanie. If it's got a pom-pom, any Canadian will tell you that's a toque. Now, they could call it a beanie, but really, it's a toque. There you go. Now you know. Now, I'm working on my counter, and just a little light dusting of flour. I'm opening it up, and it hasn't cracked, so that's a good sign that this is ready. It's safe to unfold. If it does crack, you can just use a little bit of water on your finger and touch it. Don't forget to remove you don't want to bake with that in there. So I'm going to lightly roll it out, put a little more flour on my two-handled pin, and I'm just going to roll this out a bit more. Good. Have you ever made sausage rolls before? They're very easy. And you use an egg wash. Just eggs. Blend it up, make sure there's no eggshells in it. This is a nice little row. I'm going to roll it forward. Keep rolling it forward. Out there. Okay. And then I'm going to put a little egg wash. That way, I'm going to press it and then cut it. Okay, that's one long row. Well, it made 2 rolls. Do the same with the next square. There we have 4 massive rolls. I've glazed them. Now I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so it gives me just enough time to cut these into smaller portions. Well, no matter how they roll out or turn out, they'll be just great. Okay, so while we are waiting for the countdown for these sausage rolls to finish up, if you like my channel, give it a gloves up. That's even better. Give it a gloves up. If you really like my channel, maybe consider hitting that puck and subscribe. Thank you. That would really help a lot. December 6th, I haven't forgotten. Let's take a moment and do the Advent adventure time. Okay. Oh boy. December. Oh yes, I was looking for this yesterday. It's right here in the top corner. Oh. Okay, tradition has it. Make a wish. Okay, so let's think. Today's wish. Oh, I know what I need. Yeah, a wish. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look. See what's behind window number 6. And we'll give today's chocolate a taste. Oh, look at that. And can you see that? He's got a little heart necklace on. Is that sweet? Oh, that's so sweet. And you know how I love bears. Oh my. This is one of the bears that's featured in the pattern. Oh, look. So if you are thinking about getting a calendar, it's not too late. Oh, wow. Ooh, yum. And then you and I can have a chocolate each day. Look how cute that is. I will tell you how it tastes. Oh, that smells so good. Mmm. Oh, it's a hollow beer. It's hollow. Well, that's a surprise. That's a surprise indeed. I wonder if it's supposed to be hollow. It's hollow, but it's still very good chocolate. That's good. It melts faster. So the sausage rolls aren't done yet. And I was thinking, because you know I think a lot. If you went to a hockey game, if they had a sausage roll for an item on the menu to pick from, would you have a sausage roll instead of a hot dog or a hamburger or corn dog or whatever like that? Just wondering. I'd be interested to know your thoughts. I think it would be a dandy snack at a hockey game, quite honestly. Anyways, those are my thoughts. Let me know. I'm interested. Maybe you and I, we might start a thing. Get ready. Oh, look at that. Look how they turned out. They're gorgeous. Sausage rolls. These are not going to last long. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, do take care. Au revoir.